Good morning. Welcome to Coffee Talk with Heidi Gammill, aka Nest Pretty. Nest Pretty is about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. If you want to learn more about it, you can get the book on Amazon. It's called The Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. So this week I wrote to my BFFs about a quote I heard, and it says this: more is not always better. Better is better. I heard that quote during an exercise program, and he was stretching, and it was pretty brilliant. Like, more is not always better when it comes to stretching. Stretching better is better. But that just applies so much in all areas of our lives. And on a Friday, it's kind of a nice thing to think about. When you look at your life, more is not always better. Better is better. So I know for me, I love to apply that when it comes to vacations. I have been honing my vacations for years. And every time I go on a vacation, I ask myself, what did I learn? How can I make it better? Because more is not always better. Better is better. And when you take your well-earned time to get away, you want it to be fantastic. You want it to serve you. You want to come back refreshed. You want to come back inspired, and you want to come back better. So whenever I come back from vacation, I always think, how can I do it better? How can I do it better? And over the years, I have honed that skill, and let me tell you, vacations are no joke for me. I take it very seriously because better is better. That's all I wanted to share this morning. I'm going to think about how better is better today. Looking around my house, is there things that I can get rid of? Is there decluttering I can do? Is there something I can do to make better? I know we've been kind of going through the house and doing that, and in the rooms where we're done, it is so fantastic to walk in and just be so relaxed because everything is streamlined. So that's just one area that you can apply. Better is better, not more is better. I know I'm talking in circles. It's Friday morning. Welcome to Coffee Talk. I hope you have a fantastic day. And consider how better is better. I would love to hear from you. So leave a comment below on how you have applied better is better, not more is better in your life. Because hello, we all inspire each other. Have a great day.